Let me show you how to find the area of any regular polygon. We have a formula. It's 1/2 the apothem multiplied by the perimeter. And here I have a nonagon that has 9 sides, and I've drawn one of the triangles from it. And you can see that my radius is 4. But I don't have any other information, so I need the apothem, and then I need one side so I can multiply it by 9 and get the perimeter. So let's go look for that. It would help if I had an angle, and if it's a nonagon and I'm trying to figure out what these angles are, I'm going to take 360 degrees. It's 360 degrees around this angle L, and divide it by 9, and that would be 40 degrees. Okay, so 40 degrees for that whole angle L, KLJ. So if I just want MLJ, that would be 40 divided by 2, which would be 20 degrees. So we've got 20 degrees right here. Now I'm just looking at this one triangle to help me get the other things. Okay, this MJ, if I can find that, and I have 20, that would be the opposite, and this 4 would be the hypotenuse, so I can use trig. You may have to go back and look at those videos. I'm going to use trig to get this, and the opposite over the hypotenuse would be sine. So the sine of 20 degrees equals the opposite over the hypotenuse, and I can multiply by both sides by 4, and then I'll know that this MJ here, so MJ is going to be 4 sine of 20, and it'll be easier if I just leave it 4 sine of 20 for right now. So if MJ is 4 sine of 20, that means MK is also the same amount. Okay, so we've got 4 sine of 20 plus 4 sine of 20, and if I add those together, I get the whole side here. So KJ equals 8 sine of 20. All right, so I've got that. Now, we have that. Let's find the perimeter. The perimeter is that there are 9 sides, and we've got 8 sine of 20. 9 times 8 sine of 20. We're just going to leave it like that for now. Let's go get our apothem. All right, so once again, from this 20 degrees, this is the adjacent that we're looking for, and we know the hypotenuse. So this time we're going to use cosine. Adjacent and hypotenuse will be cosine. Cosine of 20 equals the x, what we're looking for, the apothem, over 4. So we're going to multiply both sides by 4. And LM, which is my apothem, is going to be 4 cosine of 20. Don't confuse it with the one that was 4 sine of 20. So now I know that this is 4 cosine of 20. All right, so I know my perimeter, I know my apothem. Let's use our formula. Area equals 1/2 the multiplied by 4 cosine of 20 multiplied by the perimeter, which is 9 times 8 sine of 20. All right, let's go put all that into the calculator. We'll do the half last. 4 cosine of 20. All right, we're going to multiply that by 9 times 8 sine of 20. And then we're going to divide it by 2 for that fraction part. 46.28, 46.3. So the area is approximately equal to 46.3, well, not degrees, but units squared. Ignore that part right there, shouldn't have wrote that.